Welcome back to another video of Home Decor Hub. Hey guys, in this video we will talk about a frame shelf design ideas which you can easily copy at your workshop, pick your favorite design and try to make at home or show it to your local workshop so that they can make one for you. You are sure to find some shelf that you did not know you needed. The air from shelf come in several variations with regard to size, functionality or purpose and style. They could be used in your room to store and display your valuable item, or they could be used outdoor to hold your flower pots and planters. Airframe shelves design allow to for easily assembly and design assembly without any tools with features is available many design, this thus making some flexible design when it comes to shelving for homes. Homeowners have so many incredible options. The shelf won't just offer the best place for the display of valid items but can also free up valuable floor space. If you want the shelf that will let you make the most use of your living space, continue watching this video till the end. We are number of interesting shelf ideas. Turn empty walls into the museum of the where you can store and show off your things. There are lot of shelf finishes and sizes, different high quality material, metal structure design with protective guards, are durable as strong as have good load bearing capacity. The sturdy structure, easily installation and elegant design make these shelf great addition to your home. Different high quality material, metal structure design with protective guards, are durable as strong as have good load bearing capacity. The sturdy structure, easily installation and elegant design make these shelves great addition to your home. A very sleek contemporary solution to dress up a blank space while adding a little extra storage or display space. They are foldable and easy to install whether you add them as a decor additional. If you like what you see, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching. See you later.